Time for a favor?
Do you remember the way back to the Black Breath?
Of course. We need to walk across the bridge to the Vanaheim Tower. Are we going to the Black Breath or exploring? Your choice. Look, we rode past that statue of Thor earlier, when we left the Witch's Cave.
And what direction is that?
It's mid-morning, the sun is over there, so... that's south. Southwest?
Good.
I can't read these either, but they're different from the others. I told you, we should come back with the siren. On your right! Father! Father! Oh, look! The witch's magic is still covering those scorn poles. Saves us some time.
Enemies ahead!
Father, are you hurt? Father, do you think I could carry her now?
No.
But
I said no.
Okay. So who do you think carved the face in the mountain?
You would know better than I.
Thanks.
Now watch your step. Carelessness will only delay us.
Right. Well, there's the Black Breath again. What do we do now?
We see if the witch was right.
It's working! She was right!
Come, let us finish this. Then we climb.
You know, Mother said the giants used to visit the Midgard Mountains before they disappeared.
Disappeared?
Yeah, I guess they just up and left one day. No one knows why.
Perhaps they returned to their home.
Jotunheim? Maybe. I wonder if the face in the mountain was a tribute to some important giant. The mouth! We made it!
More black breath.
The giants did come here. Where are we going? The entrance was back there.
Are you in a hurry?
No, but you normally are. I'm happy to keep exploring. I don't remember stories of a giant with a gift. Wonder who he is. Think there's a second line.
What does it say?
No yoked beast, nor fearful thrall, nor rooted tree, doth know my call. Huh? Why are we leaving? Pretty sure the way up to the mountain is inside. This place must have been important to the Giants. It's like they're testing us. Okay, that was...
Is it the answer?
Freedom. Sure, that works.
Go ahead.
Sure. Rouse. What's it doing? Oh, thought maybe there'd be a bridge.
Your giants need to test us further.
There's a crystal in that torch hole. Should I light it? Guess we have to go down and go up.
These passages seem too small for giants. Why do you laugh?
Oh, you're serious?
I'm always serious.
I forget. Mom always said you never took an interest in history. Giants are just a race. Elves and Holgerfolk. It doesn't mean they're big.
What of the world serpent?
Okay, in that case, giant also means big. There's only one.
We are done here.
How'd you know that was there?
Here, boy.
Sir. This is good to know. This is a lot of bodies.
Tell me what you see.
Well, they look like men, not giants.
Correct. Thieves seeking treasure. See the traps?
Oh yeah, lucky for us they set them all off.
Be grateful these stay dead.
The statue! We made it across!
Can you read it?
Yes, sir. Oh, this is Durothron, one of the four stags of the World Tree. He's supposed to watch the entrance to Jotunheim while the giants sleep. Think he's still there?
I do not know.
Where to now?
The peak is still our goal. Please find a way up.
on the other side. Highest peak in the realms. Think Mom knew this was the Giant's Mountain?
No, the request has been more complicated than she could have foreseen.
It's a name, I think. Brasley. It means terror. What's that? Weird. There's a candle all tangled up with string and some sort of animal hide. Some kind of lantern? No wick, though.
That is of no use to us. The Bifrost lights our way.
What do you think lit these torches? The dead don't need light.
Eyes open.
Whoa. What is all this? Where are we?
Mine. And if this claw reaches the summit, our goal is near.
Alright, how do we use it?
Follow me, Atreus.
Looks like something's supposed to roll on these. I think I see how this works. The claw's on one side, and if we get this unstuck... Oh no! I think the rope's stuck under that rock.
That was careless.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Stop. But maybe we can find our way up through there. After, you know, getting rid of those things.
We need to free the rope from under the mess you created up there, boy.
Maybe there's a way up there through that. It's almost warped. That's you know, the giants not only mined the mountain, but actually lived here. Well, that's not going anywhere. That's funny.
How so?
One hand wrote, Jotnar only. And another wrote, and also doors. Should we add to it?
No.
big is this place?
It is a mountain. Big.
I was wondering who woke up every drop. Should have figured.
More traps.
There's a tunnel, but you won't fit.
Take it.
Okay. You okay?
Of course.
When you can move it, it's kind of heavy.
I can move it.
It moved! And we're stuck. Carts don't have stuff.
I see that.
Let's go! That's it! Maybe there's a way through that big gate up there? Where to now?
Be ready.
Look at all this old stuff.
If it is not useful, leave it alone.
I know. don't know what we're still doing here. Hey, that could be valuable. Look! Another lantern!
Broken. Leave it.
There's something special about them. I can feel it. It's working! There sure is a lot to see here. I don't think that's a good idea. You might snap the rope. Still need to free the rope. Think you can use the cart to get us up there? Are we lost? You don't have to leave. I'm sure we can figure this out. Okay, I think we can get to that rock now. I think it's up ahead. heavy. No way. You did it! I bet we can make the rope wheel work now. Might give us the way to the top.
Back to the wheel.
We'll need something to get through this one. We got the glove out! It fits! That's perfect! Hey! Wait for us! That should hold it. Here we go! Do you think this goes all the way to the top?
We will see soon enough.
Something feels strange up there. We're heading into danger.
Do not concern yourself with what might be. Focus on what is, and be vigilant.
Yes, sir. Not the top, but we're closer.